Learn, kids! Today, we're learning all about vegetables. Carrot. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. These are carrots. Spinach. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. These are spinach. Okra, also called ladyfinger. Okra. O-K-R-A. Okra. These are okras. Tomato. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. These are tomatoes. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. These are pumpkins. Cabbage. Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. These are cabbages. Potato. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. These are potatoes. Corn. Corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. These are corns. Onion. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. These are onions. Peas. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. These are peas. Garlic. Garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. These are garlics. Broccoli. Broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. These are broccolis. Eggplant. We also call it brinjal. Eggplant. E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. These are eggplants. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. B-I-T-T-E-R-G-O-U-R-D. Bitter gourd. These are bitter gourds. Beans. Beans. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. These are beans. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. These are cauliflowers. Beetroot. Beetroot. B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroot. These are beetroots. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. B-O-T-T-L-E-G-O-U-R-D. Bottle gourd. These are bottle gourds. Cluster beans. Cluster beans. C-L-U-S-T-E-R-B-E-A-N-S. Cluster beans. These are cluster beans. Ridge gourd. Ridge gourd. R-I-D-G-E-G-O-U-R-D. Ridge gourd. These are ridge gourds. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. B-E-L-L-P-E-P-P-E-R. Bell pepper. These are bell peppers. Chili. Chili. C-H-I-L-I. Chili. These are chilies. Fenugreek. Fenugreek. F-E-N-U-G-R-E-E-K. Fenugreek. These are fenugreeks. Ginger. Ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. These are gingers. Radish. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. These are radishes. Cucumber. Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. These are cucumbers. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. S-W-E-E-T. P-O-T-A-T-O. Sweet potato. These are sweet potatoes. Drumstick. Drumstick. D-R-U-M-S-T-I-C-K. Drumstick. These are drumsticks. Lettuce. Lettuce. L-E-T-T-U-C-E. Lettuce. These are lettuces. Coriander. We also call it cilantro. Coriander. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander. These are coriander leaves. Tindora. We also call it ivy gourd. Tindora. T-I-N-D-O-R-A. Tindora. These are tindoras. Parwal. We also call it pointed gourd. Parwal. P-A-R-W-A-L. Parwal. These are parwals. Arbi, also called taro root. Arbi. A-R-B-I. Arbi. These are Arby's. Flat beans. Flat beans. F-L-A-T-B-E-A-N-S. Flat beans. These are flat beans. Dill leaves. Dill leaves. D-I-L-L-E-A-V-E-S. Dill leaves. These are dill leaves. Curry leaves. Curry leaves. C-U-R-R-Y-L-E-A-V-E-S. Curry leaves. These are curry leaves. That's the end of our veggie adventure. Stay healthy and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun.